Catalans. Here's Da Costa from the base of the scrum, finds Farge, who finds Morg. Morg, short pass, and they're going to score here. They are over, and it's Romano who scores the try that silences AMT heading Leeds straight from the scrum. After Romano is over, it's his 5th of the season. Halfway line, Frawley collects on the full, gets it away. Here goes the young fella, Nicholson-Watton drives it in. Good to see him getting his opportunity, and to be patient. Works its way now to Croft. Croft, short to Momirovski, ball over the top, Fusitua, going for the corner, Fusitua, he's over! Blockbusting finish from the youngsters are lapping it up, because the Rhinos have struck first in the second half. And then Nicholson-Watton. Here come Leeds up the middle, Miller's got support either side, gives it to Frawley, and Leeds are in front on a huge night for the Rhinos. Matt Frawley strikes under the post, and the Leeds Rhinos are in front. They lead by 8 points to 6.
Well, I'm going to give another try assist to Tom Nicholson-Watton. It was his quick play of the ball that gave the platform for Jared O'Connor to... We hear that Brad Arthur...
Oh, well, there goes Reece Martin's away. He's got support, Miller's with him. He finds Miller. Miller will not be caught. Leeds break out. Is that a try that keeps them in the playoff race? Lucky Miller in under the post. And the Leeds Rhinos lead by 8 with 13 minutes to go.
Great stuff from James Bentley.